So today we're going to look at 3 new business idioms that native English speakers love to use during team updates and project reviews. Remember, trying to translate idioms literally will only leave you confused. Native speakers use these phrases to keep conversations fast and clear. So you should learn more idioms. First, let's listen to a 20-second corporate conversation between Mark and Sarah. Pay close attention and see if you can spot all 3 idioms. Get ready to listen.
Is everyone on the same page about the Q3 budget?
I think so, but the aggressive timeline might raise a red flag with the client.
Good call. Let's adjust the schedule now so we don't end up going back to the drawing board later.
So did you catch all 3? So let's isolate each expression so you know exactly how to use them in your next meeting. The first one was on the same page. So it's not standing up and trying to read someone's specific sheet of paper. The meaning is to agree and have a shared understanding. So you would use it like this. Before we launch the product, let's make sure everyone is on the same page. The next one we heard was raise a red flag. It's not pulling a physical red fabric flag out of your pocket. It means to signal or warn about a potential problem or risk. How do you use it? Here's an example sentence. The sudden price increase might raise a red flag for senior management. Idiom number 3 that we heard, back to the drawing board. It's not putting on an artist hat or beret and walking out to find an art studio or have anything to do with art or drawing. It means to start over completely because a previous plan failed. So it's really an expression you don't like to hear. Back to the drawing board means you're starting again. So how to use it? The client rejected our proposal, so it's back to the drawing board. So when you understand these expressions, you stop panicking during meetings and start focusing on the actual business strategy. If you want to master even more native workplace idioms through fun visual stories, you can check out my full course, Lost in America. It's linked right down below. It also covers everyday English idioms, which you should be learning more of. And it's really designed to help you navigate real-world scenarios with a little bit more ease. Please hit that subscribe button, drop a comment. You can use one of today's idioms in the comment. If you want to put your own sentence in, I'll take a look. And we'll cover our final set of business idioms in this mini series that I'm doing, but I will certainly do more in the future. See you next time.